Sophie also some Wings Assassin just got new update and it got moves, so I'll showcase you y'all all the moves and the fussy spawn animation. Pretty clean, not gonna lie. So that's the spawn animation. Here's some the moves. So yeah, first move. Second move. Third move. Fourth move. So yeah, here's the finishers. So we all know how you can fly with it, right? So there's also new passive with the flight with it. So also, here's some jump moves that you can use without flying. Also, if you're lucky, you can try to fly with this. Also, this one. New block animation. Here's the spawn animation. If you did see is so here's it again. Also, I'm gonna show some new updates a little bit. The update that got added if here's some. They also added the secondary color effects and primary. And to use this, by the way, you need VIP. Yeah. So here the primary and the secondary. So when you press the primary, that's the primary and the secondary. So yeah, so it apply the color like that. You see it apply like that. And it also works on other characters like this. I am fucking naked. Wait, hold up. So yeah, you see, can see the effects that it really adds the secondary color and the primary. Uh, Here's some other updates, by the way. Just I'm not sure if this got added or not. Just showcasing. So the Blackweed is a long range, but they actually put an update where it has more rage. So like that. See, it has more rage now than compared to the old one. See, I'm not sure if that's an update or I just realized it right now. So the secondary and primary color also adds to other characters like stain. When you dash with stain, you can see the primary and secondary colors. Kinda cool, right? And here's some tips to make it good. So like when you're gonna use a primary color like purple and the secondary, make it blend like pink, red, or something else. That make sure it blends well with the color you choose. So yeah, that's for now. That's for now. So see ya in the next update and next video of me. So yeah, see ya. Yeah.